Hello friends, I'm Rajiv Bagri, the accounting doctor. And what I'm going to show you and talk today is about TCS reports. I'm going to show you how to see the TCS report and generate the TCS report file so that you can send this file to your auditor or your practitioner and they can file your TCS return on time with your perfect reports. So without wasting much of time, let's jump to the Tally screen. Yes, friends, here we are in Tally screen. So first let us see how to make the TCS payment entry. Very simple. First we need to go to TCS report, display statutory information and TCS report. Here it is the first option, Form 27 EQ, where is the full report, your payment, your collection, all the reports. In the single screen you can see all your reports. So let us go into 27 EQ and we have selected the desired period, 1st October to 31st December. This is the quarterly return. So here what we will see is this is the amount we have collected, but we have not made any payments here. So in the payment section, it is nil. We have not yet made any payments. So how do we make the payment entry? Just from here is here in the right hand side, you can see start payment. Shortcut is Alt S. Go select TCS from 1st October, 31st October. End date is 31st October. Always it is the last date of the month. Select the 206C. You remember we created during creating TCS on sale. We have created this 206C as section. Same to TCS 206C as our nature of goods. Here is the most important thing. It is a company or a non-company. So we have all created a non-company sale we have registered. So we will go with non-company and you can create a bank here. So bank and save the entry. You see all the details related is automatically come here. We don't have to do any work manually. So just hit the save button and so here you can see we have one payment in here, not included transaction. We have to reconcile the challan first. Let's go here and as when you make the payment, you will get a BSR code, 7-digit BSR code, the bank BSR code. You have to enter this here. You have to enter your challan number here and your challan date. As you know, it's 7th of subsequent month is the last day of the payment. After that, you have to pay the interest. So this is the thing. And I've hit the branch address and yes. So we are cleared here. We have nothing pending here. Now let us see here. We have made this two sale on TCS. We can see this detail here. Same as here also we can see the detail. Now what we can do is we have made the payment entry. We have created, we have reconciled the challan with all the details, and we can hit here save button. Look at this F6 sales save. You can hit the save button here, and as soon as you say yes, it will exit. Now go back and you can see everything is reconciled, nothing is pending. Now what you can do here is, again in the right hand side, if you see it's E return, control E. You see E and under the E it is a double line. If it is a double line, it means control. If it is a single line, it means alt. So control E, hit control E for return, say no. Give your desired location for saving your text file. Say for example, I will say FY 2021 Q4. So this is the location I want to save, and yes, here again I will change the file name TCS return FY 2021 Q4 .txt. It is a text file. So it's Chennai, and as per PAN, always remember it should be always as per PAN IT number. And if you have any previous TCS return copy token number, you have to enter that here. If not, just hit, if it is your first time TCS return, just give no and proceed. It will be exported to your desired location. So yeah, that's it. We have exported the file. Now let's jump to the folder and see how this file looks. So yes, this is the desired location I have asked for, and the file is here. So this is the file, this is the data containing all the details in here. You can just mail this file to your auditors or to your consultant practitioner, and with the utility available in TIN NSDL site, they will be able to file the TCS return very easily and the correct report what you have given them. So yes guys, this is it. This is it for this video. If you like this video, please do share, comment and like the video. Once again, Rajiv Bagri, the accounting doctor. Thank you.